Hello friends, welcome to my channel Daily Rad. Today, if you are searching about FRCR exam, that is Fellowship of Royal College of Radiology on YouTube, there is very limited information about how this exam is being conducted and where and all this exam is conducted and what are the modules, and because of this COVID pandemic, how overseas graduates are affected. So in this video, I am going to give you some of the details about this exam. So let us begin. I am Dr. Savita, who has passed FRCR exam, that is Fellowship of Royal College of Radiology. Royal College of Radiology has around 11,000 members across the world today, and it is responsible for educating, training the doctors in clinical radiology as well as clinical oncology. Today I am going to talk about clinical radiology, that is degree called FRCR. Friends, I want to tell you that there is so much of requirement of radiologists in UK as of now, and if you are preparing or if you want to prepare for this exam, you are in the right place. I want to tell you how to crack this exam in first attempt. FRCR exam will be conducted in three parts: FRCR Part 1, Part 2A and 2B. Part 1 and 2A include theory-based exams and 2B is oral and written exams. Friends, in this video we will discuss about FRCR Part 1 exam. This exam is being conducted 3 times in a year, that is in March, September and December. But in COVID season, that is during this 2020, in the rest of the year they are going to conduct exams only in September and December. Limited seats are available for only UK graduates, not for overseas graduates. So the exam is only conducted in UK as well as Singapore and Hong Kong, only for local students, not for other countries. For this September exam, this year the applications are open and they will close by July 24th, Friday of this month. Friends, the website says that the international graduates other than these countries will get their chance in 2021. Friends, once we know how to apply, the fees also is very important. The fees for this exam is around 256 GBP or sterling pounds. So friends, now we have seen how to apply for this exam and what is the fees. The third thing that we need to know is where are these exams being conducted. As of now, the exams are being conducted in London, Birmingham, Belfast and Glasgow and Stockport. These are the sites in UK, and the other overseas places are Singapore and Hong Kong. So as an Indian, generally I feel that I prefer or feel that Singapore is the nearby place and it makes easy for us to go and give this exam. Friends, when you are applying for these exams, you have to mention your first choice and second choice for these exam places. Generally, physics exam is definitely available for everybody, and anatomy is only run on a ballot if many people apply for these exams. So if you mention or this anatomy is available for you in the second place of your choice, physics will also be adjusted in that place. This FRCR Part 1 exam will be conducted on a computer workstation or a web browser. They have platform called Practic platform on which I gave my exams in my final FRCR. The website says that this will be run through RCR website only in near future, that is from August. Once you apply for this exam, you will get a PIN or a unique login number that should be really kept well with you, and you have to take your identity card for this exam. These are the general tips while applying and before going to exams. As a radiology resident or a radiologist who is willing to give this exam, the first step is passing FRCR Part 1 exam. First step is to familiarize ourselves what are the modules. The two modules that you have to give in FRCR Part 1 are two. That is, one is physics, that is medical imaging physics, and the second one is radiological anatomy. So the one thing many of the students or radiologists feel pressurized about giving this exam is the toughness of physics. Here friends, I want to tell my experience when I gave my physics exam. Definitely as a radiology resident, this is a very new subject for all the students when you enter your PG, and physics is very tough. Generally, as a student, I never opened my physics book on the first day. We definitely open our ultrasound books. So when you want to definitely give this FRCR Part 1 exam, first thing is leave this fear of physics. Physics is very easy when you study methodically. First book that you need to study is Farse Physics for Medical Imaging. It looks really simple and the book has lot of content in it. So start studying. You have to start studying at least 4 months before applying for these exams. Not apply as in before your exam date. That will give a sufficient time for you to revise, study and remember, and generally you have to really remember all the numbers also, as the questions are really tricky in physics, so that you will have sufficient amount for revision. This book needs first studying for about 30 days to completely understand the concepts very well, so that you don't get confused with the tricky questions, and you need at least 5 times revision in my view before attempting this exam. Friends, I will also give a link of all the other books that you need to study. You can see now all the other books that you have to study for medical physics. And MCQ based study must be done in a retrospective manner with each option keeping in mind, so that your knowledge will also improve. Physics module has around 40 questions with 5 options. Each option you have to mention true or false, and all the questions should be attempted. You have around 200 options to attempt in your time period, so make sure that you go through all the options and mark them, and you have remaining around 10 minutes. You have to save around 5 to 10 minutes of the exam period, so that you can revise, and if you are left with any of the options, you have to mark them as well. Coming to the next module, that is anatomy, you can be given CT, X-ray or MRI image or interventional radiology image in the exam, and they can ask you what is the part and what is the anatomical variant also. So make sure that you have to mention first the side of the part that they have mentioned with an arrow, and you have to type that first, so that you will not miss right or left, and then you have to answer the remaining part in the exam. Anatomy has 100 questions and you have only 90 minutes for these exams. So you have to practice this. You will get a instructional video about practicing these formats when you apply. So you cannot practice this on the venue when you are giving this exam. So make sure that you practice and see this instructional video and demonstrational site before going to this exam. Friends, you can study maximum amounts of books for anatomy. You have to see all the images in your textbooks like Granger and Abraham's Atlas also before going to the exam. That will give you or boost your confidence levels. If you are not aware of CT or MRI images, see maximum number of images in your CT and MRI books. Also, I will link those books as well here. For studying anatomy, you take at least 1 month. That will be sufficient if you have already aware of all the modalities. If you are not aware of all the modalities, you should start studying for anatomy also along with physics. That is around 3 months before giving your exams. I mentioned 4 months for physics, as you definitely need more revision for physics. Correct option will be marked as 2 marks and incomplete answer will be marked as 1 in your anatomy, wherein you won't mention the side. Friends, I hope that definitely you will try giving this exam and attempt for FRCR 2A and 2B. I will come up with other tips how to study for 2A and 2B in my next videos. Friends, if you have any other doubt, please let me know them in the comment box. I will definitely answer them and make more detailed videos about your queries. And I hope that you liked watching this video and consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned and I wish you well for your exams. Take care. Bye.